Recently, I was thinking about getting a part-time job and then spend money I would make on the new iPad Pro. The reason is that my old 2015 13-inch MacBook Pro is starting to show its age in some intensive edits. And every other Mac, yes, even Mac Mini is too expensive for me. So I was thinking about getting iPad Pro, which performs very nicely. But then I realized it's not a very good idea. And the problem is iPadOS. Many people like iPadOS, myself included. But there is few things that I miss. And main thing is Apple professional software such as Logic Pro 10 and Final Cut Pro 10, which I use for my video and audio production. And you can maybe be like, oh, they don't put this software on iPad in order not to compete with Mac. Yes, but when I'm paying over $1,000 for a Pro device that can handle these things, because I know that Apple makes high-performing tablets, I would expect to do the same workflow that I expect from this device. And there is no excuse when Apple is putting things such as mouse support, which is good for video editing. And don't tell me that these things are not possible. Affinity did the same thing with Affinity Photo, and Adobe put the full version of Photoshop on the iPad Pro. So there's no excuse for Apple not to put these things on the iPad. And you can be like, oh yes, but iPad can do things such as Office Word. If that is the case, I would buy the cheaper iPad Air or even basic iPad or Mini. And even my 5-year-old iPad Air 2 can handle these things just as well. And the things I'm doing on tablet now are just email, watching YouTube and browsing sites in Safari. So there's no point for me to spend over $1,000 on the iPad Pro. And it's a shame because iPad Pro is really good. The hardware itself is very nice and it can outperform most laptops. And it's very bad and it's very sad to see that. So unless Apple put that software that I mentioned on iPad, I will be sticking with my 5-year-old iPad Air 2 and my MacBook Pro. So that's it. Hope you like it. Little thumbs up. And for now, bye.